Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Google Gemini's Nano Banana model to create stunning AI edits in the elevators, photography studios, mountain sceneries, and even miniature effects. So here I've already opened the Gemini apps on my phone. Now let's just get started. First, I'm going to create the photography studios. So you just need to prepare a photo of you. It might be a selfie or a full portrait of you. So upload it into Gemini by clicking on the plus button. Here I'm going to, let's say, use this photos right here. You can tap on done, and then here is the prompt that I use. So here's for the photo studio. Craft a moody studio portrait of the uploaded photo. Blend it in golden orange spotlight that creates a glowing circle halo behind the wall. And here I'm using the warm light that sculpt the face and the upper body with soft sunset-like tones. And here I'm going to also style the person and make the eye close and the chin titled slightly up. So let's try to generate the first photo. You can just wait for the result, and for the next photo I'm going to try generating the AI image in the elevators. So this one is also trending on TikTok. Okay, so now the image is done, and here is the image. I like it pretty much. And now let's just move to the second photo, the elevator photo. So I'm using the same photos like the previous prompt, and here's the prompt: edit photo to make her appear standing casually inside a modern elevator with reflective metal walls. And here's the outfit: all black outfit, oversized blazer, and long trousers. And also I'm using a coffee cup for the accessory, and the style is elegant and edgy with a mysterious vibe, and the lighting is dim, and there's also subtle shadows to it. So let's just hit on generate and again wait for the results. And for the next one, I'm going to generate the miniatures or the 3D figurine that's also currently trending on social media. So here is the photo in the elevators, and you can see this is so cool. You can just download it right away and share it to your social media. Now I'm going to create the miniature of this person, and here's the prompt: create a 1/7 scale commercial figure of the character in the illustrations or photo, and place it on computer desk using acrylic base. And there's also on a computer screen behind the figurine. And here I'm going to also ask the Gemini to place a Bandai style toy packaging box. So again, let's hit on generate and wait for the results. And next one, or the last one, here I'm going to create the mountains AI photo. So here is the miniature or 3D figurine. The result, you can just download it again. And let's move on to the last prompt. So here's the prompt for the mountain sceneries photo. So this drone shot features a 25-year-old woman. You can always change the age. Medium build standing on a mountain peak in Indonesia. You can also change the country if you want to. And behind her is a small tree with only a trunk and branches remaining. And this is detail for the outfits. You can always modify it by your own preference. And wearing sunglasses, pose with her arms folded and her face slightly turned to the camera. And here I'm using 9:16 for the aspect ratio. So let's try to generate this image now. So here is the result. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can go viral with AI photos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.